It's getting close to Christmas time, so I thought I'd combine this before YouTube build with a little bit of a Christmas story. So hope you enjoy this. Mail call. And we've got a Christmas card from Charlie Mack. Give me a second. Thank you for those kind Christmas wishes, Charlie. And that's a beautiful card. I believe his wife makes these cards, and that's really nice. Those are like stencils. That's so cool. So thank you very much. And I think this would be a good way to kick off this video, which is kind of has a little bit of a Christmas theme. So Charlie Mack, thank you very much. And everybody else, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope you enjoy this video. Being a modeler and a father, obviously we'd like to share and pass on our hobby to our kids. Well, I gave it a shot with this model a long time ago, but unfortunately my oldest was more into sports and clarinet and just not interested. So during Christmas break, about 4 or 5 years later, my youngest, who was 6 at the time, comes into my workshop while I'm at the bench and she says, "I'm bored." And I flash back like 5 years and I say, "Open that cabinet." Long story short, we spent the next 2.5 hours building the kit that her sister gave up on 5 years earlier. And I was amazed at how patient and focused she was for her age. And I suddenly realized that she had obviously been paying attention while I was modeling. So I was, prepared for that to be like a flash in the pan. But the next morning, like before my foot hit the bottom stair, she comes bounding down the hall. "Are we going to work on my model today?" So we go down to the workshop and she masked and applied her second round of colors. So next 3 days, same thing. Her idea to go down and keep working. Best Christmas present I ever received, and she didn't even know it. This monogram Revell USS Constellation is a darn nice little kit and perfect for this situation, i.e. teaching kids or first-timers. It has sub-assemblies, the tower, the hull, and this elevator mechanism, which is a clever yet simple design, like a diagonal lever, so that when elevator 1 is up, 4 is down, and vice versa. Anyway, the kit, requires multiple colors over various large areas. So, masking and spray painting and drying times and hand brushing the antenna and props. And then the little sticker decals, so to speak, are good for what they are. And it even has some raised detail on the deck that would be ideal for teaching washes and shading and weathering, but, we didn't get there. And the planes are quite nice too. Good representations of A4s, F4s, and A3 Sky Warriors. And they all sit on their tri-peg landing gear really well. In fact, they're balanced, so they only do so when all the sprue nubs are removed. So that gave her some work with the sanding stick. And yeah, just a great little kit, and we had a blast building it. So while we started what she called one of those star planes, the C-54 Thunderbird support plane, I ended up finishing it because she transitioned to Lego and never looked back. And this is her Lego room with all of the builds that she has subsequently built over the last 10 plus years. And speak of the devil, as I make this video, she's downstairs doing this right now. Anyway, thanks for letting me share that modeling related slice of life with you and indulging me while I brag on my kid. So to bring it full circle, yeah, this is an awesome little kit. So if you enjoyed that before YouTube build, stay tuned for more. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year as well.